How to schedule calls in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Calls at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find Schedule at the top. Click on Schedule at the top. Then you'll find Date. Click on Date. Select the date you want to schedule the call and press on OK. Select time and then end date and end time. You'll find call type, click on it. You'll find video or voice, select the one you prefer and press on the arrow at the bottom and send it to the person you want to schedule a call with. After you've done that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You can simply click on join, call, or add to calendar as well, and simply join a call in that specific date and time. This is how to schedule calls in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.